Success comes from making a plan and seeing that plan through, and do not deviate from that plan. That's exactly what I did today, guys. The Discord killed it. I killed it. We had no one read. I'm going to show you exactly what I ended up doing to have one of the biggest days in the last 3 months, as well as preparing you guys to trade the best setups at the best price moving forward. Let's get into today's video. So, very simple, guys. I gave you guys a few key levels last night. If you watched last night's video as well as the live stream this morning, we had 455, 455.48, 455.80, and then we had our big key level of 456.26. First trade I ended up taking, guys, I ended up getting puts at 455.48. That was my game plan. I had a game plan. I told you guys my game plan. I wanted puts at the previous resistance, the previous pre-market resistance, yesterday's support on 2 separate touch points. We gapped down. We came up to it. I wanted puts here. I ended up hitting this play, guys. We alerted to the Discord. We all banked on this. And then right after, what was my other game plan? If 455 becomes a support, the first candle to make 455 a support, you're going to want to go long because this thing is going to absolutely rip. I ended up getting calls, 455 calls, guys, and I caught this big freaking move. Same with a lot of people in the Discord. That was play number 2. Play number 3 and 4 happened in this same candle. I caught puts around my key level, 456.40, hit that, and then ended up hitting this high right here because it broke through my key level of 456.67. I ended up getting puts literally where this candle closed, pretty much. I went in very heavy, guys, and I banked here. I ended up hitting another trade. It was puts again at the retest of 456.67. Banked on this as well. It held the 200 EMA support on the 5-minute. That's why I did not hold my position. This was a sell target. And yeah, guys, the next trade I ended up taking was puts again at 456.67. We were making a roof all day. We could not get past this. We got past it once. On the retest of this, we ended up tanking. We retested it, big sell-off. This was a roof, so as soon as we came up to here, I ended up hitting the puts here, and I got the sell-off. I ended up starting a new 50K account challenge on Apex. Guys, I passed it in the first day of trading. The first day I got it. These are our profits today, guys. We had BB. He made over $20,000. We have Casper. He made over $2,000 on this, and then we had myself in this funded account, guys, and I made $3,000 and shut it down for the day. This was one of my biggest days financially in the last couple months, collectively with the funded and my big account. My big account, I'm almost at 5 figures on the day, just shy of it, as well as my funded account. I passed 2 funded accounts today, which is absolutely crazy. And I brought my 300K account, the other one I had, got that funded. So in total, I funded 3 accounts today and made almost $10,000 on the day today following my game plan. There is a lot of people out there, guys, that are selling programs or on YouTube, and they are lies and full of, you know what I mean? We do this every day. This is my hobby, guys. This is my job. This is how I feed my family. I do this live every single day. Some days are red, but that is what is expected being a day trader. You have to learn how to lose. Most days I'm having are very green, guys. There is a difference between someone selling you something and then someone who knows something. I've been doing this for over 10 years now. I've had a Discord for almost 9 months now, or going on 10 months. So I've been completely, for my own company, guys, my own name, teaching people how to trade, and we've been absolutely killing it. I am so proud of where we are today, but a lot of people also want to get rich quick, guys. This is a slow process becoming a day trader. You cannot expect to put $5 grand in and make a crap ton of money. I've been posting my gains on Instagram, on Facebook, on Snapchat. I'm getting way too many messages about people I know asking me how to do it. It's not as simple as you think. Just because I'm able to make the money I do does not mean you can. It takes practice, it takes patience, and it takes time to get to where I am. I put the work in, and you guys just see the outcome. But if you go back in time, I've lost hundreds of thousands of dollars. I've blown up multiple accounts. To get where I am today is not a quick fix, is not a get rich quick scheme. I teach you guys how to be self-sufficient, how to trade properly, how to make key levels, how to buy in at key levels, how to cut losses quick. This is what we do this for real at the Daily Sniper, guys. I take pride in my education. I take pride in the callouts that I do, and I take pride in making sure that every single person and client is happy with what they are getting. And that all comes from having my game plan, making my pre-market game plan, knowing exactly where I'm buying, know exactly where I'm selling, and know exactly where I'm stopping out. And those are the critical fundamentals you need to be a day trader. So enough about that. I just want to let you guys know I've been getting blown up all the time, man. And people just, they want to make money quick, right? They see the gains I'm posting on Instagram, on Facebook, and everyone wants to get in on it. But it's like me going to a heart surgeon and asking them, teach me how to do a heart surgery. I want to start making money doing this. It's a process to get. It takes a lot of self-discipline, knowledge, and time doing actually trading to be able to get where I am. But I have the fundamentals. I have the abilities to teach every single one of you to be self-sufficient. So enough about this, guys. Let's get into where we ended today. So the same key levels, guys. Unfortunately, these videos are getting repetitive. We're in the same range. We're watching the exact same levels, 456.26. We're watching 455, and we're also watching 455.80, as well as 456.67. So moving forward to tomorrow, what I personally would like to see, if you click the daily time frame, the daily candle so far is bullish. So we do not have as much data to go from at these levels. So this is what makes me way more bearish than bullish. Being at this level, we are near double top. We're near all-time highs right now. There's every reason in the world to be bullish, but we are going to wait for the confirmation. We're going to wait for the first red day to take a short position. As of right now, there's no need to. The only thing I recommend if you want to start shorting the market that has a good risk to reward is once we get a rejection of 456.26 and then another rejection of 455. Until then, I would not be buying puts to swing, shorting the market. You wait for the confirmation. The best level that we are going to be doing puts at is going to be 459.16. Do I think we get there? I'm not sure. The way the market is set up right now, I don't know if we'll get up there, okay? So we're going to base our opinions always off the previous day. So the previous resistance of Monday is still the previous resistance of today. Even though we made higher highs today, we are still respecting the exact same level. So this level right here, 456.67, you can even make it a zone to 456.82. This zone right here is extremely bearish. We are getting multiple rejections and we cannot hold this level. So as of right now, 456.67 is the main level to be watching. If you see this become a support, or even if you see 456.26 as support, we're ripping to 458. That is inevitable. Once we reject this level and then we reject 455, we will be in the 440s 1,000%. This is not financial advice. This is just basic technical analysis. This is what I am playing. We are in the same range as yesterday, literally close at the exact same range. So the game plan is not going to deviate. I plan on scalping, waiting for the best levels at the best price. I'm going to hit with size and I'm going to sell the move. I'm not going to hold for a massive bull run and I'm not going to hold for a stock market crash. I'm going to size in where I'm supposed to and take my gains, and I'll start the next day fresh. So 456.67, 456.26, 455.80, 455.48 and 455. These are the levels I'm playing. Once 455 turns into a rejection, I will have $1 million worth of shorting the market once we reject 455. That is my game plan. This is not financial advice, but this is what I am planning to do. I truly believe that we are going to see a sharp sell-off to the 430s very soon. There is a chance we go higher. This is why we wait for the confirmation. Right now, I have over 300K in SPXS. My average is 1370 something. And I'm planning to double and triple that down in the near future if we continue to go higher. It takes one big trade to set you up for a while. We all have those, especially if you've been trading for a while, we all have those big plays that make you from a small account to a big account. I personally believe SPXS is that play that we're going to do all over again. I truly believe, myself and one of my good friends, Dimitri, we both have multi-six figures in this, and we plan on adding multi-six figures to this position to ride this down. We have multiple gaps to fill beneath of us. It makes zero sense to be buying call options at these levels. The daily chart is telling us that we cannot hold this level. Every time we go up, we come right back down. That being said, if we hold support, this thing will start ripping. That's when you close your short positions and you don't go long. You play the chart. You play the second high, the third high, or the all-time high. That's when you take the risk. Right now, the range we're in right now, I believe we are very bearish at the moment. The daily candle says we're bullish. I'm not buying options contracts for puts. I'm simply playing the chart. I'm buying at the level I am supposed to be buying at. I'm going to double down at the level I am supposed to be buying at. And that is all. The play that I'm in, I'm looking, this is a long-term investment. This is like buying Google, Tesla, Meta. I'm looking at this for a year to 2 year play. This is the reason why I'm putting a majority of my net worth in, because I truly believe I will be able to double, triple, quadruple up on this play. It may not happen. I'm playing the confirmation. 460 support, I'm out. When do I get back in? Once we break 460, we retest 460, I'm entering on the retest, and I'm riding that thing down. That is the game plan. Stop buying puts for no reason. Stop buying puts into bullish daily candles. Wait. If you want to be a successful day trader, you need to realize and you need to learn how to stay disciplined. You have to stay disciplined. That is the number one rule to become a successful day trader. It's being able to be disciplined, waiting for the right levels, and hit that level with size. That's what I do, guys. I'm going to get going right now, Monday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. or 9 a.m. Eastern Time, 30 minutes before market open. I live stream to the public, and then I will be going to the Discord for market open. The prices that we have right now, guys, we're going to do another sale. The most sales are happening in that price range, $49.99 a month and $6.99 for the year. That's what we are going to stay in right now. We did raise the price too soon, but the value is there. So for you guys, until January 1st, I'm going to keep the same deals going on until January 1st. If you would like to take advantage of it, the link is in the bio. I promise you, January 1st, these prices will double up. The amount of content we have coming to you guys, the amount of podcasts we have coming, the amount of educational videos we have from the moderators, we are just getting started. So keep an eye out for that, guys. Thank you guys so much for all your support. I appreciate it. I know I say it all the time, but I honestly, like, to the bottom of my heart, guys, you guys take time out of your day to watch me. You take time out of your day to learn, and I truly appreciate it, guys. And if you have not seen the first podcast that we dropped, guys, the link will be in the bio. I'm filming episode 3 this weekend in Canada. My boys are coming down, Dimitri and Options Doctor. We're going to be filming in Canada. I'm bringing them to the cold, and I'm very excited for you guys to see what we have in store. Anyways, thank you, guys. Links are in the bio, and I'll see everyone tomorrow. Market open. Take care.